What's the meaning of bogy? Bogy. Bogy.
Bogey. Bogey. The term bogey can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In golf, it refers to a score of 1 stroke over par for a specific hole or for an entire course. In military slang, it can refer to an unidentified aircraft or to the enemy. In common usage, bogey can also be a synonym for bogeyman, which is a mythical creature used to scare children. Overall, the meaning of bogey is dependent on the specific context in which it is used and requires further information to fully understand its intended meaning.